Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
If you are experiencing little or no steam, here are some tips. Your water tank may be empty. Refill your water tank before plugging in. Next, check to see if your foot is securely in place. Press the colored foot pedal on the back and lift the body off. Then reattach until it clicks into place. Make sure you are using a working outlet. You will know if the ready light begins to blink when plugged in. Wait for the blinking light to go solid. Then you will press the steam on/off button and select a steam level. An important thing to remember is that you will not see an abundance of steam coming from your PowerFresh Deluxe, as the steam is directed toward the floor to deliver the best cleaning results. Next, check your scented disc tray. Push it all the way in until it's flush. We hope these quick tips get steam back with your PowerFresh Deluxe.